Hello, today we're going to be talking about infinitives. Infinitives are just like the other verbals we've discussed, being gerunds and being participles, except infinitives can be used as more than one part of speech, whereas gerunds can only be used as nouns and participles can only be used as adjectives. Infinitives can be used as any part of speech, obviously, except for a verb, but they're pretty easy to find in a sentence, first of all, because they're preceded by to, alright? So because they're preceded by the word to, you can spot them easily in a sentence. Now, let's look at some examples how they can be used as both a noun and a modifier, right? In the first sentence, the infinitive is to leave, alright? To leave would be rude, right? Here, this is used as the subject, okay? As a direct object, no one wants to stay, alright? Obviously, to stay here is used as an object because basically it answers the question what or whom from the subject, like I told you earlier this year. Predicate nominative, her goal is to win. Once again, to win and goal are the same thing, so that's the predicate nominative or noun. So in this case, the infinitive is used as a noun. Adjective, once again, which one, what kind, or how many. We have to watch. So she is the candidate, and then we say which one. Which candidate is she? The one to watch. And so that's used as an adjective there, modifying the candidate. And then lastly, we came to cheer. Okay. Now remember, your adverb questions are how, when, where, to what extent, or why. Alright? And we say, why did we come? To cheer. So, once again, that is an adverb. Now the interesting thing too about infinitives is they can also be used in a clause. In this case we see this sentence here, everyone expected, so we look at our verb first, remember how we do that? And then the subject, everyone expected, and then here we have Gina. Well, what's Gina? Gina is actually the subject of a clause that cannot stand on its own, so it's a subordinate clause, but Gina to win the nomination is an infinitive phrase here. So it becomes a clause since it has a subject, and therefore we have a clause because it has a subject and a verb, but yet it can't stand on its own. So it's a subordinate clause. Alright? And so that basically sums up infinitives. They are verb form preceded by to and can be used as both a noun and a modifier.